What in the hell is going on over here? Yeah. Tree branch? While driving? What road? Let's see if we can get a little, I don't know, redneck ingenuity going here. I got these little clear sheets. It is redneck ingenuity. Look. I got a few bubbles in there. That's exactly right. Can you get the safe light off? Rigging we doing?
Jerry rigging.
That's right, he's from Hawaii.
Chemo rigging.
Hey, at least you'll be able to see when you go to Lewis Barbecue to get some meat later.
Look at all the glass on my fucking on my driver's or my seat. Came in handy.
All right, well, there you go. Hey.
Don't slam it, or
at least it works.